What am I doing? Just being crazy? No. Today we are going to talk about the future, el futuro in English. In English, you'll learn a super simple grammar rule. I promise it's easy. And we'll practice real conversation questions that native American English speakers use all the time. Are you ready? Hello, welcome. I'm Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Now, there are a few ways to talk about the future in English, but today we're starting with the simplest, the easiest one. Will plus the base verb. This is called the simple future tense. Let's see an example for each subject. I will cook dinner tonight. I will. Will plus the base verb cook. I will cook dinner tonight. You will learn fast. You will learn fast. He will play soccer. He will play soccer. She will call her mom. She will call her mom. It will rain later. It will rain later. We will visit the museum. We will visit the museum. They will travel next week. They will travel next week. Now, here's a quick tip. In real American conversations, American English, we use contractions. Lots and lots and lots of contractions. I'm so sorry. Lo siento mucho. Let's see all of them for the future. I will becomes I'll. I'll cook dinner. You will becomes you'll. You'll learn fast. He will becomes he'll. He'll play soccer. She will becomes she'll. She'll call her mom. It will becomes it'll. It'll rain later. We will becomes we'll. We'll visit the museum. They will becomes they'll. They'll travel next week. So the formula is subject plus will plus verb. Or if you want to sound super native, super nativo, use contractions. Easy, right? Now let's talk about the negative form, right? If you want to say something will not happen in the future, you just say will not, or the contraction won't, but we'll get to that in a minute. First, will not. I will not go to the party. I will not. You only add the word not to say no. Or she will not eat dinner with us. She will not eat dinner with us. Or they will not watch the movie. They will not watch the movie. Now, in conversation, we use the contraction won't. Will not becomes won't. So let's see those sentences again. I won't go to the party. I won't go to the party. She won't eat dinner with us. They won't watch the movie. So the formula is subject, will not, or won't, plus the verb. And that's it. You can now make both positive and negative future sentences in English. Now, are you ready for some real questions in the future tense? These are questions English speakers use every day or all the time. The first question is, what will you do this weekend? What will you do this weekend? I will teach English all day Saturday, and on Sunday, I will rest. Number 2, Will you go to work tomorrow? Will you go to work tomorrow? Yes, I will go to work tomorrow. I'll teach English all day. Tomorrow is Saturday. Question 3. Where will you live in the future? Where will you live in the future? Maybe I'll live here in Utah still. Or maybe I'll move back to Georgia. That's where I'm from. I don't know. Number 4, will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? No, it won't rain tomorrow. I don't think so. It's not in the forecast. It won't rain. Number 5, what time will you get up? What time will you get up tomorrow? Tomorrow, I'll get up at 7 or 7:30 in the morning. I always get up at 7 or 7:30 every day. Number 6, will you travel this year? Will you travel this year? I think I will. I'll travel back to Georgia to visit my family, or maybe I'll travel to see some friends. I'll go camping with my husband this summer. And what else? I don't know. I definitely will travel this year. Number 7, who will help you with your housework or your chores around the house? Who will help you? My husband will help me. He'll help me with the dishes. He'll help me clean. He's a good husband. And I'll do the laundry. He always does the dishes, and I always do the laundry. That's our deal. All right, number 8. Will you eat out at a restaurant tonight, or will you cook at home? Will you eat out, or will you cook at home tonight? I'll cook dinner at home. I won't eat out at a restaurant. Not tonight. Maybe this weekend. I'll eat out at a restaurant. Number 9, what job will you have in 5 years? I don't know. What job will you have in 5 years? I hope I'll be an English teacher. Still, I love my job and I want to continue teaching English. So I think I'll be an English teacher in 5 years. I won't change my career. I hope not. Nah. And number 10, will you watch a movie or a TV show tonight? Will you watch a movie or a TV show tonight? Yes, I'll definitely watch a TV show tonight. I don't watch many movies, but I love watching TV shows. Right now, I'm watching a show called Café con Aroma de Mujer. It's a Colombian TV show, and I love it. So I'll watch my TV show tonight to relax. Guess what? That's it. Now you know how to use the simple future tense with will plus the verb and won't, will not for negative sentences. And you got 10 real questions to practice speaking. You can practice answering the questions out loud, or you can write your answers for really good English practice. Now, comment below and tell me, what will you do tomorrow? Write your answer in the comments. What will you do tomorrow? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We have a new video every Friday. Don't miss it. See you next time, friends. Bye.